Hey everyone, today I have another sock review from the brand Wander. I've been pretty fond of this brand. I've been trying out a couple of their socks, and I have to say they have good quality for a low price, and you can easily get them off Amazon. As usual, I'll put the link in the description. This particular one is for men. It is a crew sock that can be used for hiking and also office wear. I can kind of see it more for office wear though, just because of the design. I'll speak a little bit more of that in just a minute. But these socks come in a few different colors, and they also come in 6-pack. So you can see here they just come in a really simple vacuum sealed bag just to minimize packing materials, and I think that's fine. I mean, who keeps the packaging anyways? In terms of materials, it is mostly cotton at 82% and a little bit of polyester and then a bit of spandex. So it will shrink a little bit in the wash, and it does come in 2 sizes. But for the most part, I think it does run true to size. It does also have quite a bit of constrictions, particularly in the calf area, which is good, but it's not too much that will leave like marks on your calf either. And this is important just to keep the sock from sliding down your legs all the time, which is definitely could be really annoying, particularly if you're going to use this for hiking or even just walking around the office. What I would have liked to see more of is constricting in the arch area if there was a little bit narrower fit there, just for better arch support and so that the sock would hug the feet better. You can see it's a little bit loose in the middle areas, which just makes the sock feel not as snug as I would have liked to be. But that's really its only vice. I mean, you can get it at a bargain at $20 for 6 pairs, sometimes even cheaper on Amazon. I think these are definitely geared more towards office wear than hiking socks. Your mileage will going to vary. It is very breathable and lightweight, so I wouldn't be surprised if you do choose to wear this with hiking. But you got a lot of colors to choose from. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. But overall, I think it's a pretty good choice if you're looking for some office socks.